Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the battery on this Ford Kuga 2018 key fob. So the way we're going to change the battery on it is that we're going to press the both sides of this key fob like this, and that should release the top cover off. So once we remove the cover off at the top, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and remove this key blade. So that is the key blade out of the way. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a flathead screwdriver. So we're going to slide it in like this. So we're going to twist it clockwise. Okay. So that should open the casing. Right, so here is the battery. So what we're going to do is we're going to just lift it off like that. So this particular type of battery is CR2032 3-volt battery. There we go friends, we've got the replacement battery like for like. So just gonna slide it in like this. Right, here we go friends, we have placed the battery into the slot here, and then we're gonna clip it in. There we go. So that's the both sides of the cover nicely locked in. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to place in the key blade. So the way key blade goes in is like this. So the next thing we need to do is we need to place in the cover like this, and then just gonna press it down to lock it in place. There we go friends, that's the new battery replaced on this Ford Kuga key fob remote in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.